you want to stuff anything in here so that they can't jump down and piss down there? Alrighty, we're taking these mittens on a trip. Get them in the car quickly before they escape. In you go. Next stop, well actually next stop is Brunswick and then Tasmania. Oh, you're gonna have to help me here.
Oh dear.
Alright.
Make yourself comfy, it's a long ride. Well, that was a hell ride. Oh, there it is. Weird. God. That's pretty nice. Jeez, imagine missing the ramp.
It's a long way down. You have to be pretty bad at driving to do that, I think. Do you want to get them some water? Bye-bye.
$7028. 7028.
There is no 702.
What are we looking for? 7024.
What a maze.
See?
What do you think of the room? I
Yeah,
don't know if I can fit it all in.
it's pretty snug. Do you reckon there's enough lifeboats? Where's Wendy?
That'll be a little inside joke, I reckon.
I've got the nos.
There's a lot of opening doors on this boat.
The forecast the passage tonight is for easterly winds about 10 knots, increasing to 15 knots later this evening. Seas below a metre with a southwesterly swell.
Yes, please, yeah. Oh, you go both ways, yeah. Yeah, that's heaps of food.
Soft drinks and tea and coffee are included in the price.
Alright, we need a review of the buffet spirit meal.
I mean, it was expensive, but I actually thought it tasted pretty good, to be honest. The salad was... surprise parsnip was a bit sad. I thought it was a potato.
Special parsnip.
I mean, they don't taste like that bad, but when you think it's a potato and it's parsnip, I think it's disappointing.
You could definitely sneak into the cinema. The boat life.
I'm just trying to work out if our little cats are going to be okay, but it says...
I don't think they're going to make the trip. Let's be real. This deck is definitely colder than the rest. Very good.
Yeah, we're going.
So far, what's your favourite deck?
I think they all have their strengths and weaknesses. I thought level 9 had a good, ambience about it, but a little bit scuzzy. Oh, we should go and watch the lady play her guitar.
Your morning breakfast options in the Spirit of Tasmania. What do you think of Devonport?
Oh, it looks amazing. There's a Godfrey's. There's a car park.
Huh?
Destinless. Come on. Where's Bear?
Found him? You made it. You made it to Tasmania. Alright, so what's happened?
We've just returned back to the car with some Tasmanian cats who fit right in. They're starving, obviously.
And they slept in here all night.
Set up all these blankets for them and they slept under the chair.
Hello. You've made it to Tasmania.
Don't calm down.
S-P-O-P! Or I'll rip your friggin' ears off.
What are your thoughts on the...
I think I might go for that as long as I don't
Oh!
attack the cat safely. He's all back leg. Bear would have loved this beautiful sunset. Can you grab a lemon or two?
You want me to steal a lemon from the neighbour? That's a weird way to end the video.